This milk jug was made by Redfern and Drakeford probably between 1892 and 1902, and we think more precisely than that, probably 1896. And we know that because quite often with these sets of china, when they come together, you only get one with the clue identifying the registration number and date on it. And actually, if we just had this milk jug standalone, we wouldn't really know too much about it unless we could trace this registration number 290035 back to Redfern and Drakeford, which we probably could through the registry, to be fair. But other pieces in this set are nicely marked with the R&D lion mark for Redfern and Drakeford. So we know that. We also know the pattern number on here, which is used by the factory, which was 2307. It's a Victorian chrysanthemum design in burnt umber and orange with the black cobalt and then hand applied gilt decoration to highlight the black. Lovely design on this, rustic handle, almost serpent-like with ridges down its back, gilt lineage coming down there, a little bit of inner wall detailing, moulded irregular ribs around the base of the jug and the top. Classic sort of Grecian urn design. If it was twin handled, you think it was a little flower jug, but this is definitely a half-pint milk jug. Nice and clean interior with those RD marks on it, as we know. Little soot inclusion, so typical of Redfern and Drakeford's coal-fired glazes during this period of early production. So that's absolutely characteristic and right for what you would expect rather than a floor. Lovely rolling rim here with some gilt all around it. One little nip, tiny little nick just out of there, but it's only palpable. It doesn't really detract from the appearance. It's more a palpable little nick than a fault, really. So in good condition considering its age. Still got, please ignore our ID marks on there, our stickers, so we can identify these pieces in storage. 1896, Redfern and Drakeford, half-pint milk jug, pattern 2307, typical burnt umber chrysanthemum design from the very late end of the Victorian era in fine antique condition. We've got some beautiful trios coming through in this design and a couple of cake plates as well. Unfortunately, the sugar bowl had a defect and was not suitable for sale. And no teapot, as you would expect from china sets from this era. So rare to find, and when we do, they would be extremely expensive in the market today. But you can still enjoy the teacups and the sugar bowl and milk jug and cake plates at a very reasonable price. Thanks for watching. Link below will take you through to Vintage and Antiques website where these pieces are being listed this afternoon.